Now, I will introduce the structure of our double door hydrogen water vending machine. It's a simple design. It's a round corner here, and this is acrylic panel. And this area is a double window for the hydrogen water. This room you can use for hydrogen water, and this room to sell RO water. Here is the advertising window. You could choose to replace with a video LCD display here. And this area is for selection. This is the buttons for this filling room. It's for hydrogen water, so it has a pressure meter and indicated light. This is for bucket filling, for the high pressure bucket to store the hydrogen water, and this is for small bottle filling. This is stop button. They are made in stainless steel. And this is for RO water, so this is filling button, and this is ozone sterilization button. This is stop button. And this area is for payment. This is IC card payment, and also you could add a coin acceptor or a bill acceptor, credit card reader here. And inside is the hydrogen making system here, and the storage tank for hydrogen water and RO pure water. This is the RO making system. This is control board for the whole machine. Okay, that's all the introduction of the hydrogen water vending machine.